Hey there, do you have the fire within? Do you want to be financially independent and retire early? Then this is the place for you to be. Hi, I'm Sivya Goel, admin at Moms of Punjab, founder of Y School, Edu Square, and a mother of a 7-year-old girl. So, Moms of Punjab is here again in collaboration with Crewsphere, bringing you first of its kind workshop on the concept of FIRE. So in this workshop, what will you learn? You learn the strategies around FIRE, that is, be financially independent and retire early, and some examples of FIRE strategies, how they have changed other people's lives. एक सेकेंड ज़्यादा हो गया? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि this workshop is only for people who have a financial background? Then that is wrong. So this workshop, FIRE, is open for all the finance enthusiasts and people who want to start their journey in this financial world, be it women, men, or even teenagers with age groups 16 plus, definitely, who wants to learn the concept of finance and want to invest in judicial decisions. So we'll guide you towards how to begin this financial journey. And who will guide? Me? No. So we have with us in this workshop Mr. Bandul Bansal. He is the founder at F.I.R.E, India's first and the largest crypto learning platform. And he's an investor himself. He has incubated a lot of startups. He has been coaching and teaching students. He has delivered around more than 10,000 hours of content all across the globe. He has coached and touched the lives of more than 78,000 students globally. And he is the perfect man to know about finance. Trust me on that. So, are you ready to trigger that fire within you? And where to get all the information from? Keep following Moms of Punjab group to get all the information regarding these events. And please don't miss this workshop. There are a lot of freebies for you, a lot of materials for you to learn, and a lot of free courses that you can enroll once you attend this workshop. Thank you.